£55,000, just arrived at Somerset Motorhome Centre, a Knaus Sky TI 650 model, automatic gearbox. Let me show you around this, it's absolutely beautiful. Step inside, you'll see this lovely spacious front lounge, very, very comfortable. As we pan around, you're going to see the kitchen very well equipped. You've got a corner washroom with a shower, lovely fixed bed, French bed. You've got everything you want in this motorhome. This will not be here very long. It's been very well looked after. I would say come visit as soon as possible.